Hi mate, in this video I am trying to show you how to download and install TiviMate IPTV on Amazon Firestick. Before starting the video, if you need any IPTV service you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First of all, open the download app and put that code in the search bar 272483. Just wait for the 5 seconds. It takes 5 seconds for verification. After that, TiviMate IPTV is automatically downloading. Just wait for it to load. Before downloading, I want to say you something. If you are looking for an IPTV service, you are on the right place. I will give you the IPTV service at affordable price. My service had 20,000 hour live channel, 90,000 movies. After install the TiviMate IPTV, open it. After that, press on the add playlist. Then press on the extreme code. Now you need a username, password and URL to watch IPTV on it. So put your username and password. If you do not have a username and password, so contact me on WhatsApp. I will give you the username and password. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.